Hey, check 1, 2. Welcome in to the Music City Trader live stream. Right here, we're going live, and we're in a trade. I'm looking at this trade right here. I'm trying to see if I'm going to make this trade. I probably will make this trade. I'm in another trade right now that's open, but I'm trying to wait till this reaches down. Trying to give it a chance to get down here. That other one could be trending, so halfway through that other one, I'll kick over there in a minute, but I'm trying to get over here. I'm not sure I'm going to take this trade or not. If it gets right down here, I'm going to take it. It's on 30 seconds. There we go. We're going to buy this here. Go back. Whoa, look at that one. Okay, so that one broke through the bottom of this. Let's see what it's got. It's got 34 seconds left. It doesn't look promising. It doesn't look promising, guys. Maybe I could get it if it gets down there again. I'll give it a little bit of a thing right there. Let's see. This is 17 seconds. If I look at it in 30 seconds, it broke way below. We got 13 seconds left here. 171. I'm going to see if it's going to come back up. 5 seconds. It doesn't look like it's going to come back up. That'll be a loss. So first in trade. Oh, man, look at that. Oh, so close. But it did break lower. And then we're going to look over here and see. This one is stronger. It's got a strong bottom line. My computer lagged a little bit on that other trade. It wasn't the reason why I lost. It actually gave me a really good position. This one's breaking too. So I'm going to have to watch this because this one's breaking under this. I took it. We got 50 seconds left. Look at that. It's kind of between these areas here, and that's where I wanted it to be. I think this one could still win because it's going up 40 seconds. So it depends on if it goes from this area. It depends on if it goes up on trend line. If it goes ahead and heads back up. See, it was in a nice downtrend here, but it reached a low point. Seems like it has staying power on the low side, but it actually is jumping. It's got 30 seconds here. Look how far it jumped. It's almost in the money. Let's see if it got 15 seconds. It's playing hard off that line. Come on, 12 seconds. It's just a position. I waited 8, 7. Let's see if it can jump up. 6, 5. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's see what it does. 4, 3, 2. All right. 1, 1,000. 2, 1,000. 3, 1,000. 4, 1,000. 5. See, I was 3 to 5 seconds off that trade. Okay. I'm going to buy this here again just to see. I think it is going to go off this bottom. So 171. Man, that's 2 losses right out of the gate. So I got to be careful not to get my butt handed to me here. This one right here also, I'm not so sure about this one. This one's playing a lot down there. This one is actually playing to the top side off that. And I think it will. I think it can come off this. I don't want to get too hasty today. I got work to do today. I got some real work that I'm doing today. I don't want to get too hasty off this. I don't want to come in here and just lose a bunch of trades before. This is supposed to be a really good day. So let's see if this one wins, and we'll see if we want to take any more trades. Depending on what it's doing. Yeah, see, it's playing under here. I'm going to double that up right there. All right, double that up for a minute, 9 seconds. It's got down pressure. Could turn around. Let's see. This is a 171. If this up pressure wins, these could both win. 56 seconds of up pressure. I usually don't double up, but I think it's playing off that bottom line too. This is a 2-minute double up. Hopefully it goes up. It doesn't play down. I've lost before down. This would be my stop loss right here. If this loses, if it wins, I'm back to normal. Hallelujah. Look at it. Could win. Could win. Let's go to 10 seconds. Oh, that's in 10 seconds. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Yeah, I was watching 10-second charts, but that's where my initial chart was right here. Come on, baby. Go back up. Go back up, baby. At least we'll have a win, a loss. So we'll still be where we were. Come on, hold up. Come on, baby, hold up. I don't want to try my patience on this today. Try the feeling of like, oh, this is 7 seconds. This is on the 10-second chart. It reached down there. It bounced off the bottom. Let it bounce off the bottom. Don't let it get any lower. There we go. Oh, okay. Did you see that? That was so close. Win a loss. Okay. So I'm still down 2 trades, but this is a pretty good downtrend. If you guys are chatting to me, welcome into the live stream. This one is tough too. Look at this one. This one just comes down here. It plays around. It plays around and it plays around on the bottom side. You know what I mean? It just plays down there on the bottom side. It really wants to go back up. And it keeps getting lower and lower. Yeah. I'm going to buy that one up. I do think this is about to go up. If it plays on this line and takes an uptrend motion here, then we're good. I should probably look for another opportunity here. We're going to put that one in check. This one never did what I thought it was going to do. Look at that. Never did. It never did go down where I thought it was going to. I thought it was going to go all the way down here. Stopped early. Okay. This one, though, on the other hand, this one is sort of still playing off this bottom. It's off that bottom. It could go either way. I really think this trade could go either way. Hopefully it goes up. I've got a good position on it. I'm at the bottom. I'm on this black line. The black line's here now, but the original black line, honestly, was right here. You know, so if this breaks above that line and keeps going, I think I'll double it up for a longer trade on the upside. Not double up. I'll take another trade, even a 5-minute trade, because I don't think this is going to go down. I think this is going to go up from here. So there, see, it broke above there. See, it got there. If it can get, my gut feeling is if it can get above this one without getting too jacked down, like if it can go over this, then I think it'll go all the way. Not all the way, but like up to here. I think it'll go up to the white line. So it's sitting on this line right here, which is kind of a level of like, it's kind of level of resistance. I'm not so sure I want to risk it though, because I'll be down one. There it goes. Okay, so it's off that bottom. Yeah, it broke above. Yeah, there it did. It broke above. Look at that. Look at that win. It's gonna be a nice win. I don't know that I'll do anything else though here, because it could retract at any time. It could become like a bouncing, retracting kind of trade. It did go above this line though. It did get above that line. It kind of came out of the below. It kind of came out of the it kind of came out, you know, now it's heading back up. But where it goes, nobody knows. So that was a win. So I have 2 losses and 2 wins. Not bad. I might take one more trade. 2 losses, 2 wins. Let's look at that. Yep. So 2 losses, a tie. 2 losses. Okay, wait. 49.83. So I started at, okay, let's see where I'm at. So I'm at 49.83. 49.83. So I'm down. Okay, 49.83. So that's not really, the math isn't that great. So I'm still down 1 trade because I took a trade and lost it, took a trade and lost it. Then I had a tie, which really means nothing. Then I had 1 win. That was obviously good where I thought it was going. Thought it was going up, and it is. It was going up, and it's been going up a long way now. So we're not going to do anything there. I'm going to wait till it gets like right here and see what happens. If it's still in that, line of fire. This top line isn't as wonderful. It's not as wonderful. I should have taken that other trade. I should have taken my gut on that one and just taken it. But that's okay. You never know, because I was like, well, I'm kind of doing okay. What do I want to do here? This one was going to go up, and then it was going to go down. That's what it's going to do. That one's going to go up, and it's going to go back down. This one I think is going to go back down, to be honest with you. It's sort of hit there. Oh yeah, it hit there again. Yeah, and I think it's going to go down from here. It's on a white line, which means maybe there's a little retraction. That's what I thought it was going to do. It kind of did what I thought it was going to do. It's kind of in the middle. It's in a weird spot now, because it can go either way. But it looks like it's going to go down. But it's not really like a great trend surf here, because it's sort of getting stuck here. It could be returning. It could be an adjustment. It could be going the other direction. I don't really have a strong sense of that going down, unless it goes maybe to here. we'll set an alarm there and see what happens. This one right here, I thought it was going to go down and hit that line and go back up. It didn't. It went down. It didn't go all the way down. I was waiting for it to get down here. It's kind of in a weird motion there. It's kind of doing a weird motion there. This is another one that we got. It broke above where it was. It's kind of in a trend. These charts are actually trending. This one broke above that line. It came down, touched it twice, went right up. That line is right here. That's a 10-minute line. Yeah, it broke above that line. So if we come over here and look at, it broke above it, and it's been just bouncing up higher and higher. No, not so sure what that's going to do either. It kind of went well above where it's supposed to go, and it kind of went on. It got stuck on the top, and it set up sort of like a consolidation on there. This is just a consolidation on the upside to that, but is it going to turn back around? Probably not. It's probably going to go up. It has been going up. It's been continuing. Yeah, that's interesting right there. That's interesting. It just wants to go higher. Maybe if it breaks over, we could believe that that's going for another candle or so if it broke over. But it broke off that line twice. It broke off that line twice. But it is going higher and higher off that line. It's in the middle of a consolidation right now. It kind of reached lower. I do think this might actually end up going higher. Let's look at 10 seconds. Yeah, I mean, it hit there twice. Will it break through? I don't know. This has got some mess right here. It went up. I don't see like a ton of what's that called? Yeah, it's just playing up here. Yeah, it's going up there. It's kind of got big. It's got big high hopes. Has been going up. Just don't know. It didn't really RSI touch there. It didn't RSI touch there either. Maybe if it RSI touches in this 10-second candle, maybe if it goes up there and RSI touches, I could believe that one, that it is kind of turning. Although that's a level that it's trying to break. See, it did come off here. Let's see if it goes over there. If it breaks that level, then we want to take it down on that one. See, I think if it breaks that level, then it's gonna break over that level, and then I think it's gonna retract. See how high it's getting? Yeah, this is in the 10-second. It would be a 1-minute retraction. It's still pushing high though. Yeah, look at that. Like, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's gonna break. Like, maybe it comes down here. Yeah, if it hits that in the 10-second, then that would be good. That would be good too if it kind of comes down here. But I think it might actually break this. It's kind of playing with breaking it. Let's watch it. Maybe get the vibe of this chart. It's not a RSI touch though yet. Got this massive candle off the bottom. 3 off this, 3 down, 3. Tried to go back down. Massive candle. Fighting back down here. It's really right here is where it's been bouncing off of. It's 12:20. We're getting close to having to go to my meeting. I got a meeting at 1 o'clock today, so maybe I'll make one more trade here, and maybe, in the 1 minute, it does look like it could just continue up, but you never really know what's going to happen. It has been going up from here. It has been going up, but I want it to get back down here. I want it to get right down here. Yeah, it'd be nice if it just hit that line for me real quick so I could make my trade. If it gives me like a nice little breakdown to this level, it's bounced off that level every time. So I could trust that right there. Just watching to see what it's doing. It's kind of playing on this average line. I'm not so enamored by the average line as I am more of this bounce off. Boom, boom, boom. But I'm going to have to set it up for this. It has 3 levels here where it's actually stopped. It didn't get all the way down. It looked like it will go higher. It's still playing off that top there. It has bounced off the top almost every time. But it isn't getting back up there. There we go. Maybe it is. Maybe it is now. No. Okay. That's okay. It's okay. Yeah, that's actually pretty good. It's kind of playing in the middle. There we go. Playing back and forth. Okay, now it breaks it. Yeah, it broke it. Going. Broke it and stopped. If it's gonna play really break it, then it's gonna break it big. But chances are it goes ahead and turns around and does a retraction here. It's in 10 seconds. Nice little. Well, there you go. Nice little RSI touch in the 10 second there. Nice little RSI touch in the 10 second. Yeah, nice little RSI touch. Kind of broke over that level. All right, we're going to do 171 here, 171 here. Hopefully I'm right about this return. We could have a good win right here. We got 2 trades in here. It's 10 seconds. It hit there, and it just crashes. I did think it was going to hit this, and it was going to crash. So let's see if I'm right. Let's see if I'm right. It might play. It's been playing before, but it's also at a top point where it hasn't been before. So we got, let's see what you got on that. 55 seconds on this one. And we're in 30 seconds. How about a minute? Yeah. I don't think it's going to go. I don't think it's going to go. Okay, it goes up. It does an RSI break. That does scare me. That RSI break scares me. But usually RSI breaks will break back. It RSI broke here. So we might be lucky. We're at 33 seconds here. So hopefully it just goes ahead and tanks right here. There we go. The RSI break in the 1 minute will actually work. This day has been a little bit tough. I will not lie to you. It's been tough. Oh, back and forth. 15 seconds. Okay, hopefully this just tanks now. It needs to tank. It's got 10 seconds. 10, 8, 7. There it is. Is it going? 5, 4. Oh, it's back and forth. 3, 2. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come up. That's a loss on the top. Let's see here. We got 29 seconds. In the 10 minutes, it's been a real big uptrend here. 30 minutes. Yeah, it's been a real big uptrend on the 30 minutes too. It would be by when I'd be winning this by just by, what do you want to call it? I'd be winning it by luck, basically. Yeah, so 1 minute. So that one's actually winning. Let's see here. 3, 2. Okay, that's going to win. 1. Okay, so we got a win and a loss. 49.70. Where are we at now? 49.70. We're down 1.5%. No, not bad. I can't find anything here. Let's see here. Oh, look at that. Weird. Look at that. Weird. I'm just really not sure if that's actually going to keep going, which it totally could. It had a 1 minute, which was it on Euro NZD? Yeah, it had a 1 minute break, but then it sort of retracted, so that was good. Euro RUB. Oh man, I thought Euro RUB was going to go down. It went up. A little bit of trending charts today. Okay, this was, oh yeah, this is what I did think was going to happen. I thought if it got above this one, okay, then it did go above that. Okay, so this is actually a trending chart, actually. Oh wow, it's pushing down now. It took its RSI dump. But I think it's going to go up. So I'm going to take that as a 2-minute call. Oh, wow. A little bit of a dip there. I should have maybe waited for the dip. Let's see here. But I think in terms of the charts today, how they're acting, they are trending. Or what I mean trending. They are really, yeah. I'm going to buy that one up there for 4 minutes too. Man, my button, tell me that goes. Okay, good. Okay. So 4 minutes, 171. This is 4 minutes. So 2 minute. This is a 4 minute. Okay. On the direction of top side, we'll see what happens. Yeah, I think this is just a little stop place, but no, today's tough, man. I'm gonna tell you, today is tough. I mean, this is the level. Let's see. This is the level. Maybe I'm just being impatient today, but this is the level I want it to bounce off of. That's actually the level. We've got 55 seconds on that top one. It could really not be good. If it hits this within the next, if it hits this line here, I'll double it up. Yeah, it's going to be doubled up. This one's going to double up. When it hits this line, I'm going to double it up. I'm going to double it up now. I don't know what's wrong with my button. There, doubled up. Yeah, there it goes. 23 seconds here. 30 seconds. This is 4 minutes. 4 minutes. I'm going to double that one up too. All right, so that's it. 42.86. Let's look and see where we're at. It's really bad. That's bad. Down 6%. Those two trades closed as a loss. These right here are, okay, so I had that one and that one was a loss. And then I had a 171 and a 171. This is a 4 minute. Double up. I'm just down. I'm going to have to stop. These need to win, though. I've got 2 minutes. My trade trend that I think is going to go higher and lower. It went ahead and hit its low point here. So hopefully it goes ahead and it takes its climb like it's going to. It bounced off that. These two could win, which would put me in. Yeah, these two could win, which would be 328 times 2 equals plus 42.86. It'll put me back where I started, 49.42. It'll put me at 49.42, which would be down still a little bit from where I started. But see, it's sort of starting to break that structure, that 10-minute structure that I had right here. This 10-minute structure is still kind of breaking. That structure is that structure is still breaking. Yeah, it's gonna double that up. Okay, so that's okay, this is a stacking motion I'm doing here. I'm gonna have to quit or I'm gonna lose some money. Because it sort of is pushing down. It kind of broke below that structure there. And I'm kind of pushing that in a chart at 45 seconds. One of them's in the money, but I want it to bounce back. I need it to bounce back. Oh, there it's bouncing down. See, that's the problem, guys. When I get stacked up like this off different ones, it'll bounce back and forth. So 33 seconds. Looks like this will be a loss too. That was a breaking structure. Yeah, because it broke the structure and it broke down. It broke the structure of the downside structure. Yeah. Well, then it finally hits that, and yeah, it finally breaks that structure, and then it's going back up now. Let's see what it's doing. One of these might win. Oh, there it goes. 3, 2, 1. No, those are all losses. Yeah, it broke that structure, but it's not going up quick enough. Yeah, it broke. I'm not sure about this. I don't know as much about this. It's kind of a little downtrend. It hit there, it went down below. It kind of hit that, and then it kind of bounced down. It retested that level. You know, I think it's going to go up from here. Yeah. All right, I'm going to take a 5 minute 600 from here. Okay, this is a 5 minute at 600 from this line makeup trade. So if I get this wrong, then it'll be a very bad day. And I think it's just hitting this line, and it's going to head back up. It's got 5 minutes. We'll watch this, and then I got to do a live stream today. I'm real excited about my live stream for one of my boot camps I'm doing. So I've got to get after this trade, I've got to get my head right. I hope this doesn't break this complete structure. I hope this goes back in my direction, or it will be bad. So this is kind of playing here, but it's overall turned, you know, but it's still, you know, I don't know. Maybe they beat me today. Yeah, look at that. That's good. I think it could go either way, but that's not a great time to make a makeup trade. Is it? Is it a great time to make? No, it is not a great time to make a makeup trade. So I'm going to have to just let that be. I mean, sometimes that works. Sometimes that gut feeling works, but not when you're losing a lot. You know, now it's under the white line in the 1 minute or in the 30 second, but it's off the white line on the bottom. So it's a good thing there, you know, but it hits this black line here that it's been hitting for a while. And I want it to go up there. I want it to get its juice back and keep its juice. We've got 3.5 minutes left. So if I win this, it'll be 11:52. 11:52 plus 35.15. So it'll be still 46.67. Man, still be down 3%. Dang. That's okay. I think that's okay. I'm going to let that be because I don't have a lot of time to really make more trades and try to really reduce my chances of winning. This one right here does look like it may actually go all the way, though. I don't think I should take any more just in case it actually starts turning on me and making it. It's 2.5 minutes. So it's like going higher, went higher here, went higher here, went higher here. I need to make sure this is not in there. 170, what? 171 is what my trade is. Yeah. Yeah. We're going to let it go back down here. If it does do a little retracement, that's the line that I want it to be on right there. Okay. If it gets back down to that black line, I'll take another call. See there, it's going. It's kind of playing. It got low and now it's heading high. My gut feeling is the 1 minute is sort of stalled out on that big red candle there. Hit this top. My gut feelings have been a little bit off today, I will admit. I'm going to buy that. Man, do you see that? I hit the button. Count to 1, 2, 3. There it goes. See it? It's like it's very hopefully this wins. It's 2 minutes, 1.5 minutes and 2 minutes. So then I'll just be down. Let's see if we do the math here. I like to do the math while it's doing. So it's 33.44 plus 11.52, which is that makeup trade, plus 328 equals 48.24. 48.24. So I'll be down 350. I'll be down 2.5% if both of these win. But I don't know if I want to press my luck on any more of these because this is going higher, higher. Come on, baby. Come on. Just keep going. Don't get into any craziness. This is a big trade for me, guys. Both, at least the bottom was a huge trade for me. Then this top one is kind of big. If this gets up to here, you know, I could do a RSI touch off this top line. That's if it keeps going. If it gets its juice and just keeps going. It's above the white line. I'm below the white line at this point, which is good. But I'm also going to get a cough drop. I gotta hold my head up high today. Not a great trading session, but not super bad. Yeah, if it can jump up there and hit that line again, I'll take a 1 minute, a 2-minute call. There's the bottom one is a win. The top one is going to be a win, I think, as well. Oh, what are we down? 358. Yeah, we're down 2 trades. I think I'm going to have to just redo this session tomorrow. Because look, it's going to go up there. It's going to hit that line. If it goes up there and hits that line on an RSI touch, it'd be great because then it's bounced off that line so many times. Let's see what that line looks like up here. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't really have much to say except for that. I mean, it definitely could give me a little relief off that line, but it's going to have to touch it for me to take it. It's kind of waiting, isn't it? It's kind of being soft. Now it's pulling back. I've had trending charts today. It's gotten a little higher each time. This one's just sort of, let me see if I've reached my goal. I was trying to get 100 people to come to my webinar. Let's see what happens. Boot camp, 97. All right, we're just 3 away. Man, it's like, but it's definitely one of those days where it feels like just barely making it. It's like it's not too bad, but not great either. What is it? 1239. This chart right here looks like it kind of went above its thing. If it gets up there again, it's like, is that gonna be an RSI touch right up here? It's touched there before. Right here is where it's touched before. Yeah, I'll sell that. I kind of jumped it, but oh yeah, look, it's gonna go back. Okay, so that's a big RSI touch area from over here. If we look at the 30-second time frame, although it's been, yeah, over here, look at that. It got right up there and touched right there. That's kind of a big area. Uh-oh. It's playing around a little bit up there. That's kind of a big area. But it did touch there. I got a pretty big position on it. So my puppy's still wanting to play around here. If it touches that one candle one more time, I'm gonna hit it again. If it goes up and touches it again, I'm gonna do a double up on it, as long as it's within a minute or 45 seconds. It's playing on the low side, which is good. That's all right. If it reaches up and touches that, it's gonna have to reach up and touch. I don't want to double it up where it is. I want it to get right up there. If it doubles up there, it's not there yet. There it is. It put down. I should probably leave it alone. There, good. It held off there. Good. It's got great rejection off that top side. Only problem is it's playing with that top side. There we go. Finally. It's kind of scaring me. There's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. It played off that top line. Dang, and it did. It's got 25 seconds. So let's hold. Hopefully that holds down, and we'll just be down like 1 trade today, and we can just call it a loss. Man, look at that. I'm not gonna worry. I'm gonna trust God right here that it's gonna hold down for 10 more seconds. Look how the chart's kind of going, stopping. Hold on, baby. 5. Here's the longest 5 seconds of my life, and then we're doing my webinar later. There it is. It's a win. So 49.81, right? Okay, 49.81. So 49.81. So I'm down 200, down 1.47. Yeah, it's just this line right here got. See, I think it could go higher. I think it could go right up there. It could bounce off there. It's been there before. Is that where it's going? If it goes up there, do I believe it's going to stop there? I mean, look at the pressure. It could. I'm going to let it go. I'm going to let it see what happens. It's not going to be a breakthrough, is it? I don't know. It's broken through a little bit. It would be a secondary level. It'd be a final level, really. Yeah, I don't see it going there. Get rid of that one, 51%. Now these charts are just all over the place. I think I'm just gonna go to my, that one's kind of weird because it's going back up where it was. This one's just trending. This one's been hitting that line a bunch. Let's see what it looks like here. Yeah, I think this one's gonna go back down. It broke that level. It's been playing a lot though. It kind of got stuck there. It's not like it's playing there. It's like it's stuck there. It's trying to go back down. There, that one's finally going back down, but still kind of weird, And then this one, same thing. That one's just going there. That one's going everywhere. Let's see if there's anything else that's just totally amazing. I don't think I have time for any more. Oh, wow. What was that one? What was that over there? Did I see something that was like really? Oh, yeah. Look at that. I mean, it's hit up there, hit down there. Yeah. The problem is it broke that. And I don't know. That would have been a good one to trade off of earlier when it was in its consolidation. Right now it's sort of in consolidation here. It finally broke above there. It's going back down. That was a decent chart to trade on, really, I thought. This one, same way. I mean, it's kind of in a consolidation zone right here. It's there, and it's really there. But in terms of going lower, it's actually sitting right where it's at right now. It's sitting on that line. It could be going back up. It's just playing back and forth, From that low level, I'm not sure it's not just going to just tank up from there. This one too, I don't see anything here that tells me that it's about, well, right there. It's hit there before, but that's me just kind of looking at these like, oh, maybe it's going to do it there. Maybe it goes all the way up to there. Maybe it doesn't. It's it's kind of just moving higher and higher each time. Look at that. Wow, that was way down there. Like, what does that look like? Gee whiz. That's a weird feeling off the bottom there. Yeah, that's a weird feeling off the bottom. It went all the way down there and just tanked back up. That's a weird candle. But it's gotten lower and lower each time after it's done that. So it's like, it's probably going to go back up from here. Yeah, it's probably going to go back up from here. But it's kind of playing. Look, I mean, it could go either way. And when you look at it in this light, like it can consolidate down there for a while. Yeah, it hit down here and just bam. That was in 1 minute. Yeah, but it still doesn't matter. It's not quite, that one's just going up still. That one's going up still. See, none of these are making me feel like, oh man, I got to do this. You know what I mean? I got to do this. This one right here might be jumping finally. It's kind of like went lower than its thing. It's kind of broke its structure there on that side. It doesn't feel like it's like, oh yeah, perfect. I mean, some of these, the RSI touches aren't really, that was decent. That was almost an RSI touch. Well, it was. That was a really good art. This was also an RSI touch right in the middle of my, what do you call that? This one right here could be an RSI touch. It's coming up here. You know, kind of hit that and went down. I mean, but if it goes higher, man, I don't know. There's a lot of jaggedness right now. There's a lot of jaggedness, guys. This one right here has like a big mess of stuff in the 10-minute, you know, so it looks like it could do a breakthrough and keep going. It doesn't look like it will, but the little RSIs are kind of touching, but and then it keeps rising. It keeps rising. And this one right here, it looks like it just it's kind of stuck there, you know, but it could break through there, which I think it might actually. Yeah, see, it's kind of turned around. Yeah, it broke structure here. All right, well, I gotta. It hit there. That was nice. Hit there. That was a good RSI touch. I was kind of just looking for RSI touches. Hit there. That was an RSI touch. This is a. Yeah, this one could RSI touch here. It could do it. It's going to. There we go. Boink. Let's take that one. Let's watch and see what happens. Part of my gut feeling was that was could be a breakthrough as well. This one's, yeah, but that was a decent little place, you know, but it kind of, man, it kind of had like a, what's that called? Like a, ooh. Wow, look at that. It went up here and tanked there, tanked. That was an RSI touch like crazy. It's kind of an RSI breakthrough, actually. I'm going to double that one up. And then we'll just see, because now I'm getting back into, you know, I'll be down 3 trades if these lose. I think I'm grasping for straws here. I can come back and I'll be, what, 46.39. Let's see. Only down. Yeah, I've got a little bit of trade left. I'm only down about 4%. I've got another % left to go if these both lose. But if this one wins, then we're good. I can probably just come back tomorrow. But this one, look, this one's kind of scary because it's like kind of playing on that line now. It's in the 10 seconds. It's really out of whack. That's guessing. Kind of broke structure there and kind of went down. So my line was decent. My RSI touch was good, but it's a very long candle, very long downtrend. If I look at it, I was wanting that to work, but it just didn't seem like it wanted to. I'm gonna have to. Just gonna have to let it be, and then let's see what happens. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's see if we can get this to at least win, so it's like not totally lost. 17. There we go. Nice, 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 nice. Come on, baby. Come on, push up. It's like either way. Look how close that got. 10 seconds. It's like either way. 5 seconds. 4. There we go. It's going back and forth. 3, 2. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Yep. Okay. 49.68. I'm going to call that a day. That was a win and a loss. That was not really 49.68. It's 49.68. It's down 214. So it's down 1.56. Not bad. Okay. I'm going to call that a loss for this day. I'm going to go to my other live stream. I'll see you guys on the next video, and we're just going to be down a little bit today. We'll kick it back tomorrow. We will kick it back tomorrow, like really kick it back tomorrow, and have a really good session tomorrow. So that's probably why this is the way it is. You know what I mean? This is the way it is.
Hey, no matter where you are right now in your journey, you can become a profitable binary options trader. All it takes is a simple trading strategy to win trades and the ability to stick with your plan. But it's easier said than done, especially if you're trying to do this alone. But now you don't have to do this alone. Right now, you can go to musiccitytrader.com and join me in a tribe of dedicated traders. We're on a journey together, and there's room for you today. You'll get all access to the exclusive Trading Tribe app, where you can post your progress, share your wins and losses, learn what's working from other traders, and you'll get exclusive trading sheets, strategy guides, trading journal downloads, and more. You can even participate in my special live trading sessions and even copy my trades right inside Pocket Option using the social trade feature. Go to MusicCityTrader.com and join the Trader Tribe today. Success is within reach, and you're not alone. Click and join today at MusicCityTrader.com.